watching Cooking with Chef Bombert, and I'm gonna beat this thingy. But I need to try to turn it on. Now,
Bombert, when my cookie coming? Bombert, when my cookie coming?
It will come like an hour.
Bombert, when my cookie coming?
It will come like an hour.
Okay.
Remember, don't try this at home.
Okay. Okay, I'll never. Okay,
And I'm serving it to the director.
No, make it to me. It's my cookies. I ordered it.
And I'm gonna serve it to the director and you. Now I'm gonna pour the brown sugar. Oopsies. Now where should I keep this? Okay. I'll put it lying over here. And then I'm gonna pour the brown sugar. All of it? Yeah, oh my god. Now mix. Now let's mix. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Quick, Annabelle, give me a tissue. Quick, give me a tissue.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait, Annabelle, give me a tissue. Remember, don't try this at home. I'm gonna take a bath later. I'll just cook.
And when you take a bath out, I will cook.
And right now, Rapper, tell me when to put the eggs. You know I wanna. Now put the eggs.
Mama, can I put on?
Put the eggs.
Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl. Now it looks like cookie dough to me. One for Redbird School and one for home. Nobody takes peanut butter for school. Sometimes they are allergic. We take these because nobody's allergic to chocolate and white chocolate. Wait, is there any kind of chocolate? Yes, milk chocolate. And cinnamon, cinnamon. And now I'm going to pour the chocolate chips into the school. Woohoo! They're having a party. Now we pour this into the cup. You bake this, you should always wash it. Now I got to make balls. Since when the food is ready? I'm not going to tell you. Will you tell me when will the food be ready? I'm going to give you $1,000 so you can tell me about 55 minutes. Now, okay. Yeah. Now let's make the cookie. Okay. I need a little bigger. Okay. Washing hand.
Now can I do?
Yeah.
I wash my hand now. Can I
Yeah.
Can I do?
Yes. Now cook.
I'm gonna make it.
If you guys watched Cooking with Chef Biggie, it makes the food disaster, but cleans up. I make good food, but I made a huge mess. Now I can take it out. Now my trusty assistant Red is here. He could help me. I could make small ones. I could just make small ones.
What?
Red!
What?
Aren't you gonna kid us? Oh no, I dropped a piece.
Don't worry, I will put it in my cookie. Ow.
Okay. Few hours later, because it's so hard to make the cookie dough, so it's in the oven. And so we're going to serve it to the director and the annoying one. Now it's on fire! Yay, baby! But I'm going to show you some shows, funny shows while cooking. Knock, knock. Who is it? I am who? I'm going to punch you! Ha! That guy's so annoying.
Mama,
That means I can watch TV!
I saw you.
Okay, I'm back. I created me cookies. Let's serve it.
Keep this.
I'm gonna draw.
Mama, where should I keep this?
Yeah. Oh, no. Say, kid. Yeah. Yeah. You dropped a white thingy. All right. You can. Okay, guys, we cannot say the moral because somebody needs to eat it. Redbird, yes, come over here.
What is it?
Your cookies are ready.
Yes, I'll eat.
Go ahead and eat it. Go ahead and eat it.
Can I eat?
Yes.
Yay.
Oh, just eat it with your beak. I only just told the moral, but we didn't send it to our customers. Red wasn't. He's just testing. 1 for Jim, 1 for Jack, and 1 for Jay. Okay, guys, we're gonna serve it to the blues. La di da di da, la 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 la, la di la 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 la, la 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 la. Dinner is served. La la. I can't wait to see what's the taste of these cookies. Mess. 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 It tastes awesome! Yeah! Oh my god! I fall. Well, that's it. That's only episode 1. And see you later. Bye. I'm gonna explode right now.